There we go. We made a pretty quick change to that template. Let's get crazier with this. Let's create like two more of these. Using the template I just created, I'm going to create one called C. So I'm going to come in here, and you can actually call these templates as well as using Ajax if you wanted to. They don't have to be in the page. You could load them with Ajax and then run your function if you wanted to, but this makes most sense. It's not hurting anything, and it's all in one place, so we can change these out fairly easily. So here I'm going to call this layout underscore C. I'll save this off. And what do we want to do with this particular layout? I'm going to add a class of alt here. So now I'm going to leverage a little bit of CSS as well. And what I've done is I've planned ahead on this, and I've just done a couple CSS tweaks to flip-flop some items here. So we're going to flip-flop the layout. We'll pull this over here and move the image to the right and all that. And so let's remember that we'll have to go to the manage tag here, and I'm going to open this up into another tab so I can target products a little bit quicker and go back to our editor quicker. So product number 3 is going to get the third layout, which is the C. So we'll come down to custom 1 and say C. So product 3 is going to get the third template that we just created. So go in, product 3. Okay, now we've flip-flopped the layout here. This is just basically CSS. This product doesn't have any related products, so maybe we'd want to remove this on our. Let's do that now. Let's pretend we don't want related products in our C template. So I'll just come in and remove that HTML. Boom, it's a goner. So this is already, we see, pretty powerful. Well, what are some other things we can do? Well, on the home page, let's look at this on the home page. There's this latest news here. Let's create a product. This is just kind of unreal, but let's create a product that has like an extra column here that is outputting that news using this same theory. So we'll come into our HTML, and I'm going to grab this particular template that we just used with the flip-flop columns, and I'll name this D underscore D. So this is our fourth template that we're going to create now. And the latest news here on the home page, let's go grab that markup from the home page. So I'm going to, in another tab here, I'm going to open up the pages area. I'm going to go to the home page. I'm going to find that latest news bit. Here's the home page rotator. So I'm going to have to go to the code here and find that. Here it is. So I'm going to bring this into this particular layout. Now where do we want to put it? I think we want it on the same side as our image. Let's try that. So let's go to our layout here, and let's say we still want a product image though, don't we? So maybe we'll move our image. We'll kill the poplets. We don't want any poplets in this layout, but we do want this little news bit. I'm going to bring the image itself. So now I'm just moving around HTML. I think this is a lot easier than writing custom JavaScript, don't you? So we'll save that off. So any product that has D assigned to the custom field 1 will get this layout. So let's go do that now. Let's go target. Let's go target a product. Product 4 is going to get D. So we'll come down here. Product 4 is going to get layout D. So we'll go to Shop, Living Room, and Product 4. See what happens. Oh, okay. So now we've got the latest news showing up here on this product detail, and all of our information out here. So right now we see we got 4 different layouts. They're nothing that crazy. Here's our product grouping still working, which is great. I'll go back here. Product 2, it's got a little bit of a different layout. Product 3, product 4. Let's get even crazier. Let's bring in like let's bring in this feature here. This web app here has got an alternate list view assigned to it that outputs images. Let's bring that into the footer or something of a fourth or another a fifth layout, I guess is what it would be. So we'll copy this. Let's go back up to our first layout and do an alternate or a second template here and do an alternate of that. So this one's going to have related products. It's going to have a cool little web app above that. And so I've got this helper code over here, which is basically just calling the home page rotator with an alternate list view. And I can output that to the page here using template E. So let's go find a product, e-commerce products, and we'll target our fifth product with our fifth product detail layout, E. Okay, so shop, living room, product 5. Here we go. So we've got some web app content here in this layout, our related products, all this fun stuff going on. So if I wanted this particular product to have the just standard issue layout, I'd give it an A. Come out and refresh. There it is. Nope, product 5. Oops, I gave the wrong product, the wrong layout. This guy. Too many tabs open. Now we're back to the regular layout. So I think with this particular Java, with this function, this technology, I should say, JavaScript templating folded into BC, we can now have multiple product detail layouts.